Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is one of the most important mission of our country, a vision of Mahatma Gandhi for clean and healthy India. Today I am here to tell you about very exciting and educational activity, the Swachh Bharat quiz on MyGov platform. This quiz not only tests your knowledge but also spread awareness about cleanliness and sustainability. Now let's see how you can participate. I've already given the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. Once you click on it, it will take you to the official site of MyGov quiz where Swachh Bharat quiz is active. As you can see, this quiz started today, which is 2nd October 2025, and it will end on 15th October 2025. And they are going to ask you 20 questions, and for answering that you have 10 minutes of time, which is 600 seconds. Before going in detail about quiz, let's see few more things. That organizer of this quiz is Council for Indian School Certificate CISC, which organize ICSE for class 10th and ISC for class 12th examination. So now this objective of this is to foster participation, awareness and learning among students rather than focusing solely on competition. Now, eligibility. Eligibility, it's open to all school students in India irrespective of their board. This is by CISE, but it's also allowing CBSE student, state board education or any other board. Now, the first prize winner will receive 7,000 of cash prize. Second winner will receive 5,000 of cash prize. Third winner will receive 3,000, and the next 15 winner is going to receive 1,000 cash prize. Now let's see how you can participate. So for participating, first you need to log in that. So you just need to click here, login to play quiz. Once you click on it, you will get login page, and here you can log in multiple ways. First is you can log in through email or mobile number, and you can log in with OTP. If you know MyGov password, then you can log in through your email or mobile number and password and click login with password. And the third option, you can log in through your Gmail. If you have Gmail here, you can just click on Google and it will log in through Gmail. So now I'm going to use login through OTP. Once you log in, now as you can see here, it's changed. Now there's no login, it's just saying start quiz. And if you go on the top, and on top you will see your name, means you have logged in this. So now let's start the quiz by clicking start quiz. So now you can see my quiz is started. As you can see on the left side 20 questions are there, and here timer is started. This is the question, you need to select the option and click on next button. Now I am going to attempt the quiz here. So now I have attempted all the 20 questions. As you can see, all the 20 questions is in blue mark. Now I just need to click on finish quiz. So let's click here. Now as you can see, now they have given this message, congratulations, thank you for participating in quiz. Click here to download the certificate. So I can download my certificate by clicking here. So now let's click here. So now it has taken me to my dashboard. As you can see my dashboard, my latest quiz is Swachh Bharat quiz. They have given me the date and time on which I have applied, and this is the certificate. So I can download the certificate by clicking here. So now let's click here. So as you can see, this is my certificate. So certificate of participation, the Council of Indian School Certification Exam and MyGov congratulate Jitendra Kumar Yadav for participating in Swachh Bharat quiz. We acknowledge your effort. Keep participating. Friends, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is not just a campaign. It is a movement where every citizen contribution matters. Take this quiz is a small step, but it reminds us of our social responsibility to keep our home, school and community clean. So don't wait. Take Swachh Bharat quiz today, share it with your friends and classmates and be part of building a cleaner and greener India. If you found this information useful, do like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more updates.